There are some characters in Bollywood movies that stay with us even though they weren't the main lead in the film. Such supporting characters leave a lasting impression with their powerful performances and eccentric personalities. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with top 10 Bollywood movie characters that deserve their own solo movies. Nawazuddin Siddiqui as Sheikh in The Lunchbox. Lunchbox was a masterpiece not only because of the beautiful back and forth letters between the lead pair, but also because of the organic and genuine conversations between Sheikh, played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and Sergeant, played by Irfan Khan.
कमाल है कमाल है सर कमाल है सर मेरा एक डब्बा बोल दीजिए
वो रेस्टोरेंट बंद होने वाला है
ऐसे कैसे बंद हो सकता है सर
A genuine friend who can come across a tad bit too curious in other people's lives, the character so effortlessly played by Nawazuddin would definitely have an interesting premise if a movie solely focused on his experiences in life. Mohammad Zishan Ayub as Murari in Ranjana. He is literally known for being the best supporting actor in every movie, but we have seen Mohammad Zishan Ayub play the supporting role too many times, and one character that stuck with us was Murari from Ranjana.
ये जब घर पे ना मिले तो इन्हें ढूंढने यहीं आया करिए घर पे नहीं होते तो अस्पताल में होते हैं ये
मुरारी
A pragmatic, loyal, and extremely giving friend, Murari with his unique character left us wanting more of him on screen. Definitely his romantic story with him in the lead would count for an entertaining movie. Manoj Bajpayee as Bhiku Matre in Satya. Satya is set and based on the journey of Satya, an immigrant in Bombay who gets himself embroiled in the underworld. On his journey and time in jail, he meets Bhiku Matre, a gang leader in Bombay. The character, which was spectacularly played by Manoj Bajpayee, was one character that stayed with us even after the movie.
सत्या वो क्या ना यार कमरों में शादी करने जाती बहुत जल्दी थक जाता है मेरी बीवी के सामने मत जा तू तेरे साथ भाग जाएगी
Even though there have been many caricatures over the years essaying the same role, there has never been anything like Manoj Bajpayee's portrayal. The actor playing the same role as the lead in a new story would definitely be a must watch. Aditya Kumar as Babu Khan aka Perpendicular in Gangs of Wasipur 2. The second installment of Gangs of Wasipur gave us a huge variety of eccentric characters. One of them was Babu Khan aka Perpendicular.
तो हम अपना माइंड चेंज कर लिए पहले हम करेंगे
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है
हम परपेंडिकुलर हैं हम ले लिए ना आई थिंक होता है
A boy with his iconic lisp, street smart antics, and complete fearless demeanor was played perfectly by Aditya Kumar. Such a character in any lead role in a movie would be jaw-droppingly awesome. Omi Vaidya as Chatur Ramalingam aka Silencer. Another iconic role from the 2009 Rajkumar Hirani masterpiece was Chatur Ramalingam, played by Omi Vaidya. A thick, unique accent, an over-competitive sycophant, and an individual we have all seen in our school or college lives.
स्तन होता सभी के पास है सब छुपा के रखते हैं देता कोई नहीं
Silencer was one character that remained in our hearts forever, and a movie with Omi Vaidya essaying the same role would definitely be a must-watch for everyone. Zishan Kadri as Definite Khan in Gangs of Wasipur 2. Another character that was extremely strong and almost stole the show was Definite by Zishan Kadri, Sardar's son from Durga and the man that completely changes the equation in the climax of the second installment. Definite with his fearless and resolute character stuck with us after many years.
बेटे जिससे बात कर उसका फोन कान पे लगाना दूसरे का फोन नीचे रख हेलो अरे बहुत सड़ी के मेरे फोन नीचे रख दिया
Zishan Kadri, who wrote Gangs of Wasipur, can definitely mold Definite as the main character in a new installment, as it has been perfectly set up for him. Deepak Dobriyal as Puppy in the Tanu Weds Manu franchise. There is no doubt that one of our favorite characters from the Tanu Weds Manu franchise has to be Puppy, played by Deepak Dobriyal.
लिख के बताएं कि देखे
मतलब
अरे हमारा नाम पप्पी पप्पी नाम है हमारा
A loyal friend who goes out of his way in his own quirky manner to do anything to resolve conflict. Deepak Dobriyal is hilarious in any role, but we would love to see a solo movie with Puppy and follow him in his adventures. Arshad Varsi as Circuit in the Munna Bhai franchise. There is no denying that Munna Bhai wouldn't be as special if it wasn't for the brotherly bond between Munna and Circuit. But what would be extremely interesting would be to see Circuit's origin story, and it eventually ending with finally meeting Munna.
ये आका नूडल
तुम लोग साला बाहर गांव से आते हैं तो तुम लोग को यहाँ खाली भूखे नंगे दिखाई देते क्या? You don't see ताजमहल ताजमहल?
No, hungry and poor man.
Arshad Varsi, with always being loyal and hilarious as Circuit, would definitely be a must-watch if featured in a solo movie. Vijay Raz as Ganesh in Run. There was only one thing that was impressive about Run, and that was the funniest and one of Vijay Raz's most iconic roles of Ganesh in Run.
सुनिए, हाँ? बैठना किधर है? कुर्सी किधर है भाई? कुर्सी? अरे जवाब ही नहीं दे रहा हो यार. Excuse me, हमको उल्टी आ रहा है. Thank you.
A man who wants to meet his friend Sidhu in Delhi and runs into so much confusion and bad luck leads to one of the most hilarious sequences and dialogues by the talented actor. A movie solely based on him and his bad luck and sticky situations would be a laugh riot. Before we end the video, here are some honorable mentions.
और दूसरा इंजन चालू है.
थैंक गॉड दूसरा इंजन चालू है.
नहीं इंजन चालू है मतलब कंपनी का नहीं है, चालू क्वालिटी का है.
Saying in English, my friend taught me, why fart and waste it when you can burp and taste it.
Process starts. Kursi after kursi after kursi after kursi. How many kursis we check out before we find that one kursi?
सबको 3 डिपार्टमेंट्स में ब्रिलियंट होना चाहिए, and that is good looks and good looks.
घर चला जाओ. अजी एसपी साहब, मैं इस कमरे से नहीं निकलने वाला हूँ, आप घर जाने की बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, दिल्ली से हूँ भैंचो. रूसियों के साथ इतने साल काटे कि खून वोडका बन गया है.
Saswata Chatterjee as Bob Biswas in Kahani. Talk about one of the most mysterious characters in Bollywood, and Bob Biswas has to be one of the best that has come on the big screen in Bollywood.
I'm so sorry.
An assassin working undercover as a life insurance agent. Imagine a movie with him as the protagonist, his origin story, and his twisted and dark journey to the horrible life he leads. That would be quite the movie. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas you would want to see on the channel. Also, please support me by following my Instagram page. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support the video by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.